Welcome back to LaNise Spicey. I'm making one of my favorite smoothies, and here I'm adding some bananas. You can add 1 to 2 depending how creamy you like your smoothies. Next I'm adding a little bit of peanut butter. This is a great source of protein and it just gives it a little bit of sweetness. The next thing I'm going to be adding is a little bit of kale. It's a great way to get those vitamins in there and the greenery, and it's with all the other fruits, it kind of covers up the flavor, the taste of it. Then I'm adding some blueberries. Those are great antioxidants, just about a handful. Next, I'm adding some protein powder. It's the vanilla flavored. It's my favorite because it goes practically with any smoothie, and it adds extra protein. Next, I'm adding some almond milk. This is just gonna help everything to bind together. And I'm adding ice because I did not freeze my fruits ahead of time, which will help you to get a thicker smoothie. So now I'm just gonna blend it all up. Just takes a couple seconds. And look, it's all together. It's kind of a greenish purple. And voila! I hope you guys enjoyed this. I'll see you guys next time. And as always, spice out. Bye.